god, what? Oh my... Like, none. Bigger Sculpin. What else everybody want? What's up guys, Bruce here. So today's video we're going to be camping and fishing at Golden Ears in beautiful British Columbia with my little brother and my girlfriend. Put down.
This way.
Front. Animal. Thing. Goodbye. How's it feel? There you go. Real pillow. That's not. Hey Bryce, want to see this? It's a couch. Camp is set. We'll go. What? Yeah, give it a try, man. The couch.
Pretty nice, eh?
Yeah, it's just crazy.
Stop drizzling too.
Tell us, sponsor us.
He loves that. It'd be cool to have a food company sponsor me.
Near cheese.
Enter cheese. Yeah. If you're watching this, Bruce, send me some more, please. I'm good. You good? How is it? Little slidey slide. We're at oh, it's gorgeous, man. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at where we is. Wow, this reel is so nice. It's a new reel I just got from Proficiency. Yeah, this reel in particular, like, I don't know if this green power base gonna do much. None, like none. I'd rather die. Not a single chaser, yo. No, oh, is that you?
Oh, okay. I'm taking it. I was like, yeah, I caught someone's line.
You juked me, man. Oh, there's baby fish. I see baby fish. Shoot, like 1 centimeter fish. They're like so small. Something must be breeding here. Hey, Bryce, look at I didn't get skunked. Oh my god, he's the smallest thing I've ever seen in my life. What a beast. What a hog. What a pig. That's the biggest fish I've ever caught. God damn it.
You got one.
Go free. Alright. I can give up in peace now.
Oh boy.
You got it. Take this rod. Alright, we're good. As pretty as this is, the fishing is tough. Oh, nothing like Bobby's shenanigans. Jump it, jump it. Oh, oh, you made it. Uh-oh, he sent boulders after me.
Wow, you can really send it, eh?
Bombarda, baby.
Yeah, right
there. But walk towards me, maybe.
That thing can go 7 light years.
It's called the Bombarda. Bigger Sculpin.
Pretty good.
These D's. Oh my god, this guy came out of nowhere. Yeah, Bobby, look at this.
It's actually kind of decent.
He's decent. Am I cooked? Am I cooked, fam? Am I cooked? Oh! Oh! No! No! I didn't even think there could be smaller.
Oh, it's
But
even
there's
smaller.
even smaller. What is this? Oh my god. Oh my goodness. What a stump. I barely even heard him splash when I dropped him. Yeah, keep him on, keep him on. What is it? No way. Oh my god.
Hey.
What is that? Yo, careful, careful, careful. Oh my god, what?
Oh my god!
Yo, it looks like a cutty.
God! What?
I don't know. Yeah, what I tell you about downsizing?
I caught a trout!
It's a big. Okay. Yep. Udon as well, so you can make it all at the same time. What else everybody want? Beef bulgogi and udon? That's it? Udon. Look at that. It's juicy.
Go save it.
Oh yeah. You're a noodle guy. Hmm?
It doesn't work.
Like one does like.
Look at that. Tahoe time. Check this out. Oh, this tastes amazing. No, salty, man. See? If you do it at a light, easy, casual throw at that line. See? Good. You could add a little more oomph to it, but there you go. Oh. I'm a G. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this video of me and my loved ones camping and fishing out at Golden Ears, BC. If you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you haven't already to see more videos just like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.